A very good day to all of you, and apologies I cannot join you in person for this important discussion on international AI cooperation and governance. My name is Friederike Grosse-Holz, and I am part of the AI safety unit at the European Union AI Office. As an input to your discussions, I'm pleased to outline the EU's approach to governing advanced general-purpose AI, which is based on the AI Act. So first, I thought it might be useful to discuss how do we develop our European governance approach. So the relevant part of the AI Act focused on general-purpose AI models is the Chapter 5. This chapter is pretty high level. Therefore, we are now running a multi-stakeholder process with industry, with civil society, with academia, to draft a code of practice. Drafting is done by independent chairs, and the first draft of this code of practice just got published 2 weeks ago. The final code of practice is expected in April 2025, and this may then serve as a guideline for providers on how to comply with the general purpose AI provisions of the AI Act. It is important to mention that the AI Act has a large part that is not focused on general purpose AI. So for the general purpose AI part, we have this code of practice. Now, which mechanisms are part of this governance approach that we are building here? Under the AI Act, and now the COP, the code of practice, all providers of general purpose AI have some transparency and copyright obligations. So concretely, this means that they must make certain information about their model available to the AI office upon request, and some information, a smaller set, available to downstream providers. That is transparency obligations. And then those providers must comply with EU copyright law, and that is the copyright provisions. And then there are some specific obligations only for the small number of most advanced models that are expected to carry systemic risk. And providers of such models must carry out risk assessment, evaluations, and implement risk mitigation measures. Now, risk mitigation can happen on the technical, the model level, or on the governance level. And the EU AI Office will enforce Chapter 5 of the AI Act and will work closely with such general purpose AI providers and may also investigate systemic risks, either from a single model or also potentially more broadly, including through, for instance, evaluations. So with that, I hope this clarifies the EU's approach to governing general purpose AI models. I'm very grateful to all of those of you who I've met through the network of AI safety institutes or otherwise for your thoughtful commentary on the first draft of the code of practice that we received already. Encourage further commentary if you have any. And I look forward to working with the international community more as we develop this really first of its kind legal framework for governing advanced AI. So thank you so much for your attention, and I wish you fruitful discussions in the conference today.